Hi, and welcome back to Cook Like James. In this episode, we will be continuing our exploration of authentic James-style cuisine by learning how to make James's Thai red curry. To start, you will need some ingredients. For vegetables, you will need 3 yellow onions, 4 red bell peppers, a chunk of ginger, and a bulb of garlic. For meat, James is using 7 boneless chicken thighs. You can adjust the amount depending on the size of your thighs. The special ingredients you will need are Thai red curry paste, chili garlic sauce, and 2 cans of decent coconut cream. You will also need a bit of vegetable oil and butter. For cookware, you will just need a single large pan. James is using a non-stick, but any large pan will do. Okay, put that to the side. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go wash our peppers. 4 of them. Okay. Alright. Cut these into like big chunks. Like that. Do our onions now. Now we're going to grab our ginger. And that should be a good amount. Put the other half. Just give it a quick rinse. Yeah, maybe. Let's just grate this directly in. So. Alright, let's start. Tomorrow. That's just vegetable. Well. Some butter. What we're going to do is wait for that to heat up, and we're going to be putting our entire bottle of red curry paste in here. And also check the date beforehand. See, that's what it looks like. Alright, so let's throw in our garlic. And we're going to put in our Thai chili paste. Oh, red curry paste. In. I'm just going to let that cook for a few minutes. Now once that's going for a bit, we can throw in our red peppers. Give that a big stir. Sometimes it is helpful to get the second. All right. In about 2 minutes. There's 2 cans of coconut. Give that a little bit of a stir. You'll see this slowly turn to like a deep orange. Put it back on, but this is my chili garlic sauce. It's extremely spicy. So the amount you put here is to taste. I did 1 scoop last time. I'm gonna do 2 this time. Give us a little bit more heat. See, it's starting to get more orange. Okay, now that piece of ginger we had before, let's go. Now you may be thinking this is a lot of spices, but here's the thing. This coconut is very strong, so it can accept a lot of spice without getting overpowered. If you don't put a lot, then you'll end up with something that tastes weak. So it'll usually, from my experience, it takes more than what you'd expect. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's good. Maybe a little less on the garlic chili paste, but I think it's very good. I'm gonna put the lid on and tidy up. Alright, it's been a few minutes. You'll see it's a much deeper orange now. It starts actually boiling up if you put a lid on it. I'll turn it down a little bit. It's probably just below medium. Yeah, it's a much deeper red now. Okay, what I'm going to do now is prepare the chicken. I'm going to be using 6 chicken thighs. I'm just going to here's how I'm going to do this. Basically, these are boneless, so you can just sort of just lay them out like that. We're going to cook them directly in the sauce so that they absorb a lot more of the flavor. No more tasting the sauce after you do this until they're cooked. Okay, It's been about 5 minutes since we put the chicken in. That's bubbling a bit. Need some more time. Now, I didn't mention it, but I haven't actually stirred this since I put the chicken in. Just sort of just putting it in place, let the chicken submerge and just cook until until it's ready. Then afterwards, we'll go through it, but we'll just sort of like separate the chicken with spatula and just give it a big stir, and that will be that. So now is a good time to actually start making the rice. So I'm gonna go do that. Okay, it's been about 12 minutes now that this is probably heating up. But yeah, this is really what you should be seeing, this frothing up of the sauce. Yeah. Just keep an eye on it. But yeah, that's what you should be seeing. As I was saying, keeping an eye on it. See, this is almost boiling to the rim. So you may want to turn it down if it starts frothing up too high. Alright, so it looks like it's been about 17 minutes now. Just give it a little bit of a stir. We could easily just, find a piece of chicken in here. And if I just press down on it a bit, it cuts right in half. Just break a couple of the larger pieces into chunks. This was fresh chicken, it wasn't frozen, so if you put frozen in here, well then I wouldn't recommend that. Alright, let's look at okay, it's been at least half an hour. I'm probably not in time that wrong. Anyways, my rice is almost ready. Look at the color. See, it's a like deep orange. Not deep orange, but it's orange. It's pretty watery. Not watery, but it's runny. This will thicken up actually once it cools a bit, but it'll just be very good on the rice. So let's actually do a proper taste test. Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah. Yeah, that's really good. It's got some kick to it. If you want it less kick, the garlic chili sauce, you just, maybe 1 scoop. But that's very good.
This because
rice is ready.
A couple of days ago.
There you go.